Welcome back. Now, Shopify will give you a wizard of things to go through in order to get your store up and running quickly. Now, one of the first messages that you'll see at the top is if you have sales tax responsibilities that Shopify identifies based on your address. And you'll want to make sure that you understand the tax liability in your location. And then if you need to start collecting taxes, make sure to understand the details. And if you need to start collecting taxes, click this link that says Start Collecting Taxes in the locations where you need to collect them. Now, if you live in the United States and you need to collect taxes for a specific location, you're typically going to need a sales tax ID for that particular state. And again, all of the regulations are going to be different. Depending on your individual location, you'll need to make sure that you enter the correct information. Now, for the sake of this video, we are not going to go forward with this part of the process. You're going to see some other options when you go through this part of the menu. You can make sure that all prices include sales tax. You can make sure that you charge tax on shipping rates. You can charge the value-added tax on digital goods if it applies to you for your European customers. Once you have it the way you want it, you can then click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.